What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Walking 3-bed, 1-bath, colonial brick home. Just evaluating the property, see if the numbers make sense to make a deal on it. If you or anybody you know in the area is thinking about selling a home, we will be open to talking with you to learn about your situation. We help the homeowners who are not in a position or just don't wish to deal with a realtor to list their home and sit on the market for months on end without a guaranteed price or a closing date and having to pay thousands of dollars in real estate commissions and fixing up their home. We come in, learn about their situation, and make them a fair offer, close quickly, usually 30 days or less. We don't charge any real estate commissions, and we buy an as-is condition. So whatever your situation is, divorce, foreclosure, behind on payments, you inherited a property, you don't have the time or the money to fix up your property, we are looking to buy properties in as-is condition, cash. If that's something you are interested in, give us a call, 330-685-2220.